Johnson's Hotel Linen, part of Johnson's Service Group, is the UK's leading textile rental company, building strategic partnerships with our customers and priding ourselves on excellent service provision. We provide locally based linen rental services with nationwide cover and a commitment to excellence and friendly, efficient customer service. Ideally, we service hotels and hospitality with over 50 bedrooms, offering a variety of products, as well as tailoring the service to the individual needs of our customers. During our peak weeks, we process over 8.3 million pieces of hospitality linen, frequently servicing our customers with fresh, clean linen, making sure they can concentrate on operating their own businesses. The process is simple. We collect soiled linen, sort, wash, dry, fold, pack, and deliver, and then do it all over again. Johnson's Hotel Linen, working in partnership with our customers, suppliers and colleagues, and operating a sustainable and ethical business.